Afghanistan's Industry and Commerce Minister Elaj Nuruddin Azizi was in Delhi recently. He met with External Affairs Minister Dr. Jaishankar, he met with the Minister of Commerce Piyush Goyal, and also held meetings with the business community in PHDCCI. Minister Azizi said that he was looking at inviting Indian investors in Afghanistan to explore their mining sector and to also invest in hospitals and to have bilateral relations in their banking sector. Bilateral trade between India and Afghanistan is close to $1 billion. Minister Azizi has said that he had invited Indian investors to come and invest in their mining sector. He's also wanting Indian companies to come and invest in the healthcare sector. He's also said that the country is looking at enhancing ties in the banking sector so that trade becomes easier between the two nations.
ज़ीरो tariff for raw material for अगर वो
Minister Azizi also said that he was willing to offer Indian investors zero tariffs on raw materials. He said that the land area that would be provided for investors wishing to come and set up a base in Afghanistan would be really low.
नया एक सेक्टर को किसी ने वहाँ पर चाहते हैं कि वो उधर इन्वेस्ट करे, उसके लिए भी हम चाहते हैं कि अभी तक ये कंप्लीट नहीं है, 5 साल के लिए माफियत.
Minister Azizi also said that women from India were free to come and explore and invest in Afghanistan, primarily related to handicrafts, to jewelry, to sectors which would enhance bilateral cooperation and also women to women exchange. Though India has to yet officially recognize the Taliban form of government in Afghanistan, diplomatic ties have improved. Minister Aziz said that their commerce attaché is going to be in Delhi within a month, and India's commerce attaché or trade attaché will be in Kabul within the same time frame. Minister Azizi's visit comes 1 month after Afghanistan's Foreign Minister Amir Khan Muttaqi came to India. Bilateral ties between India and Afghanistan are steadily improving.